Alright, welcome guys. Today's video, we're going to go down to Chinatown again. So I'm going to the MRT, and we're going to go to Wat Mong Khan station. And I want to go see a couple of the local markets down there. And let me see what we see. Let me show you around. Okay, so here's a couple of little side streets in Chinatown. You can see everything with the red lanterns. And then the narrow little alleyways. Now in years past, this was kind of a swampy area. And then the Chinese that moved into this area built it up and became like a major commercial area in Bangkok. And it was also pretty notorious for opium dens and casinos and stuff like that. Brothels, everything down these little narrow alleyways. It's more of the little businesses. It's all covered and it's boiling hot here. Probably from this kitchen. Still don't know what this stuff is. I think maybe it's a pig stomach or something. Yeah, so that is the pig stomach. And here have some fruit. Some jewelry stuff. Some more little open-air restaurants. There's various foods. Alright, so we're out of the little soys. Just keep looking around. Okay, so this is kind of an interesting little temple that's right here in Chinatown. It's what Kanika Pong, I believe is what it's called. And it's the name means from the donations of the prostitutes. It was built originally in 1833 by a woman that was a devout Buddhist, but she was a madam. She had all of her prostitutes and she collected up some of the money each time from the gals, and she built this temple in 1833. And it has it's a Thai style, but it still has a little bit of Chinese influence, like you can see back over there. All right, so here's the main Buddha image at Wat Kanika Pong. And the young novice monk in here. And here they have kind of the ring of all the Buddhas. Monk guy out here doing some housekeeping. And one more little shrine. And the market around the temple. All the stuff the Buddhists need, the candles, the joe sticks. You can get oranges, oil, all the stuff for the little blessings. Looks like a Chinese style temple over on the other side. Okay, so this is the Tai Hong Kong shrine. Now the significance of this is it was a Chinese monk that is named the Tai Hong Kong. And he was famous for helping out the needy. So he would go and he would collect up the bodies of the homeless and the people that didn't have any families. And he was responsible for cremating them. He also helped build roads, and he donated charity to all of the needy people in this area. And this shrine is over 100 years old. And you can see, it's a busy place. So the original, like, little shrine was brought, it was like 100 years old and it was made out of wood, and they replaced it in 1955. Lots and lots of people here today. I hear the rattling of the sticks, so somebody's getting a lucky number. People here. And the Chinese goddess of mercy. Over here, this is a little booth. These are all people that are donating money to help take care of people that died that don't have any family members. So here they have these massive candles, and you can burn the incense. Over here, they have some big, huge incense sticks. Over on this side is the Bangkok Thailand Foundation. Got some soldiers here. Now, I'm not sure what they're doing in here. Okay, so here people are making the donations. Again, it's to help the poor people is what they're doing in here. So you can buy burial plots, you can buy the wrapping cloth, you can also buy rice and stuff like that. Tells you your prices. So it's a foundation like to help the sick and the poor, people that have accidents, that don't have any family. Alright, so that was a little chaotic in there. Alright, let's keep on walking around. So it's kind of nice that this many people are out today to donate for the needy. Food outside. The little donuts. And some of the lady monks collecting up some alms also. Candles in here. And this Thai guy can barely stay awake. He's really struggling. He's so sleepy. So this is right next to the little foundation. All the candles are lit up, and it's hot in here from all those, believe it or not. And then their shrine over there. Here burning the joe stick. So a lot to see here. Busy little place. And there's the name. I'm not sure what the name of it is. It's something in Thai. Okay, next thing. Some of the old businesses and houses. And all the massive wires. So how'd you like to have to try to track down one of those? If you lost like phone service or internet or something like that to your house, somebody has to get up there and find what wire is bad. And you see those guys, they'll climb up on them and walk on them. They have these little bamboo ladders. It's like a little soy here. There's a bunch of junk and stuff for sale, some food, and more along the road. And a little shrine here, a temple. Let's take a look while we're walking. Okay, so the name of this temple is Wat Chai Chang Songkhom. Just a almost brand new temple built in 1848. And let's see what the main Buddha looks like really quick while we're right here. Looks like they've already got it closed up for the evening. Over here you have the drum. So they can bang on the drum to tell what time it is. And up here they have the bell. So, all right, let's keep going and walking around. Here's their little Buddhas out here for their shrine. And then another part of it. Pretty cool looking front of that building. And some of the older ones over there. All right, so here is what I came down here for, is this Sampang market. And it looks like I'm a little too late. Most of it's closing up, but let's walk through. And if it's nothing really to see, maybe I'll come back another day. Okay, so I figured out what was going on. Is talked to an old lady that was selling some food, and this market, most of everything is closed up today because it's Chinese New Year. Most of these vendors aren't working today. They took the day off to go spend time with their families. Some are still open, but most are closed. All right, let's walk down through and see if any of the textile stuff is open. I guess this runs into Little India, the Little India part of Bangkok. Yeah, definitely gonna have to come back down here another day. I've been here years and years and years and years ago, probably 12 or more years ago, and what I remember is this little soy was just absolutely insane. Okay, so here is the Klong Ong walking street, and if anybody's ever seen my video of that, they set up on both sides of this little canal. But right now there's slow tourism, so they're not really setting up on both. They're just kind of setting up in one general area. And then you can go down to the bridge overlook over that way. Now this leads into the Little India, and they set up over here and they sell some things down here. Let's look around and see if we can see anything. All right, so this is the road here. This is the main shopping area. There's Tanon Pahurat. And during the day, this is where they set up and they sell a lot of clothes and all of that. I think the market will be closed since it's after 4 o'clock. Looks like the people on the sidewalks are closing up also. One thing I do need to see is there's a Sikh temple in this area somewhere. I need to find it. Okay, so the market, just what I was afraid of, it is closed. This is where they sell the silk, and you can buy the clothing patterns and all of that, and have them make it here. All right, let's see if we can see anything else interesting before we go. There's some more over there. Everything inside the little market is closed up pretty much. Okay, so I found the little Hindu temple that I was wanting to see. And it closes the main gate at 10:30 in the morning. So I'll have to get up early and come down and see the market and check this out. What I like is these old buildings like this. These are all built right on the canal. Some of them are made of wood, some are concrete. They still have those wooden shutters. There's one that's wood with a tin roof. Let's go back down some more of these little soys and find something to eat and head home. Some more at Chinatown. All these little pop-up businesses in front of their houses. Let's see, I have the balconies. All Alright, so we came out the little soy, right back onto the main road through Chinatown, Yarowarat Road. Down here filming in Chinatown, and I ran into a guy that's just starting out his YouTube channel, Finding Clifford in Thailand. So, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
All right.
Yeah.
What are you doing in Thailand?
I'm getting away from the truckers. They kicked me out of town.
Very good. Anyway, he's just starting out, and he does some videos in Phuket and all that. So if you want to see some of his videos, take a look and subscribe. All right, guys. So that finishes up our little walk around. Now, I wanted to see those two little markets, but they were both closed, so that was the whole purpose for coming down here. But we still got to see a couple of the little temples and the shrines and all of that, so it leaves me something to do another day. So anyway, guys, if you like the video, make sure you click like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and share it with your friends. And if you want to see something different, leave me a comment down below and tell me, say, hey, go do this or go do that, and I'll do my best. And as always, guys, remember, life is a journey, so enjoy.